I'm here on the Mediterranean coast with the team for the Center for Holy Land Studies, and what's behind me is an incredible sight. It's Herod's Palace. This place represents the seat of Roman power in this area. I'm forced to think about the ways that this place would have represented almost an encroachment of not just Rome on the land of Israel, but an encroachment of paganism amongst a people who are monotheists. They're people who believe in one God. Here in this place, there would have been representation of idols, and there would have been the worship of many gods. I'm forced to think about the context that I live in, and maybe that you live in the United States or somewhere else in the world. And you're wondering, how in the world do we continue to live for God and to raise our children and our grandchildren to live for God in a world where all of these other things are moving in and they're pressing in on us? I just want to encourage you that Jesus' response was a call to discipleship. He called people to him and he said, come and see what I do. Come and be with me. Come and have relationship with me. And then ultimately he sent them out and said, live for me. Doing what you do every single day, living where you live, being a parent, wherever your work or wherever your life takes you. Jesus said, do that, but do it for me. Live for me. Honor me. Take in my word and live for the truth. That was Jesus' response to living in the tension, this kind of political and religious tension, and that should be our response as well.